Hariom students, all of you are obeying the instructions given by the government for our safety. You practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel. Always you remember it. Then what is the meaning of some is saying, if we know how to love, we will be loved by others. നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെയാണ് സ്നേഹിക്കണമെന്ന് നമുക്കറിയാം. നമ്മളെ സ്നേഹിക്കാനും ഒത്തിരി ആൾക്കാർ ഉണ്ടാകും. നമ്മളുടെ മറ്റൊരാളുടെ സമീപനം വളരെ നല്ലതായാൽ നമ്മുടെ തിരിച്ച് നമുക്ക് ആ ഒരു സമീപനം കിട്ടുന്നതായിരിക്കും. നമ്മളെപ്പോഴും എല്ലാവരോടും നല്ല രീതിയിൽ പെരുമാറിയാൽ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നമ്മളോടും എല്ലാവരും നല്ല രീതിയിൽ പെരുമാറും. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരോടും സ്നേഹത്തോടുകൂടി പെരുമാറാനായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ശ്രമിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, then today we can study compound interest. What is compound interest? Compound interest is the interest calculated the previous year's amount. Previous years in the first interest second year കണ്ടുപിടിക്കും. നമ്മൾ ആ amount the principal is taken as the amount is taken as the principal. That is compound interest. The compound interest is the interest calculated on the previous year's amount. അപ്പോൾ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കണക്കാക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഒരു വർഷം കഴിഞ്ഞ് അടുത്ത വർഷം ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കണക്കാക്കുമ്പോൾ ആ സെക്കൻഡ് ഇയറിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇയറിലെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റും കൂടെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പലിനും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആ എമൗണ്ടിലായിരിക്കും നമ്മൾ എന്ത് കണക്കാക്കുന്നത്, ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കണക്കാക്കുന്നത്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കോമ്പൗണ്ട് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ്. You can look some example. A sum of rupees 20,000 is borrowed by Hira for 2 years at an interest of 8% compounded annually. Find the compound interest he has to pay at the end of 2 years. Here, what is the simple interest for 1 year? We know the formula to find the simple interest. Then what is the formula to find simple interest? This will be PRT by 100. Then here what is P here? Principal is 20,000. So 20,000 into 8 by 100 into 1. That is equal to rupees 1,600. Then what is the amount here? The amount for the amount is equal to principal plus interest. That is 20,000 plus 1,600. That is equal to 21,600. Then second year principal for the second year, we take the second year principal as the first year's last amount. Here the amount is 21,600. Then second year, what is the principal? We take the principal as this amount. So the principal for the second year is this amount. That is 21,600. Second year നമ്മൾ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കണക്കാക്കുമ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇയറിൽ എത്രയായിരുന്നു 20,000 ബോറോ ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എത്ര ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കൊടുത്തു? 1,600 rupees നമ്മൾ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കൊടുത്തു. അപ്പോൾ സെക്കൻഡ് ഇയറിൽ നമ്മൾ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കണക്കാക്കേണ്ട ഏത് എമൗണ്ട് ഏതാണ് പ്രിൻസിപ്പലായിട്ട് എടുക്കേണ്ടത്? ഈ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇയേഴ്സ് പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ ഈസ് 20,000 plus 1,000, that is the amount is 21,600. So principal for the second year is 21,600. So simple interest for the second year is here P is equal to this amount. That is the difference between simple interest and compound interest. So compound interest we are taking the amount as the principal for the second year. And what is the amount first year? 21,600. So the principal for the second year is rupees 21,600. You remember it. Okay, then what is the simple interest for the second year? Simple interest for the second year, the same formula PRT by 100. Okay, what is P here? This is very important. Here the principal is taken as the first year's amount. Okay, then principal for the second year is rupees 21,600 into 8 by 100 into 1. That is rupees 1,720. So what is the simple interest for the second year? It is equal to rupees 1,720. Then what is the total interest? Total interest for the first simple interest for the first year is 1,600 and the second year is rupees 1,720. Then what is the total interest? Total interest is equal to 1,600 plus 1,720. That is rupees 3,320. This is the compound interest. The interest is added. Then this interest is called a compound interest. Therefore, the compound interest is equal to compound interest for rupees 20,000 for 2 years at the rate of 8% per annum is rupees 1,600 plus 1,720. That is rupees 3,320. Therefore, the compound interest is equal to rupees 3,328. So first year's simple interest is 1,600. Then second year we take use the formula PRT by 100. Here P is equal to the first year's amount, that is 20,000 plus 1,600, that is 21,600. So the simple interest for the second year is equal to, if the principal is the amount, that is 21,600 into 8 by 100 to 1, that is rupees 1,720. So what is the compound interest? Therefore the compound interest is equal to the first year's interest plus second year's interest, that is equal to rupees 1,600 plus 1,720, that is equal to rupees 3,320. Okay. Next is a formula for compound interest. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to n, where A is the amount, P is the principal, R is the rate of interest per annum compounded annually. Then n is equal to number of years. Therefore, if the P, R and n are given, you can find the amount using the formula. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to n, where A is the amount, P is the principal, R is the rate of interest per annum compounded annually. Then n is the number of years. Then what is the compound interest? If the amount is, if we find the amount, then we can find the compound interest using the formula amount minus principal. So amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to n, where A is the amount, P is the principal, R is the rate of interest per annum compounded annually. This is compound interest. So R is the rate of interest per annum compounded annually, and n is the number of years. Then compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So if the amount and principal are known, we can find the compound interest using the formula. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So what is the formula to find the amount? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to n, and compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Okay. Next question. Find the compound interest on a sum of rupees 8,000 for 2 years at 5% per annum compounded annually. Here what is the on a sum of P is equal to rupees 8,000 and n is equal to 2, R is equal to 5% per annum. So what is the formula to find the compound interest? Hideshwar, compound interest is equal to compound interest is equal to so first we can find the amount. Amount is equal to, after finding the amount we can find the compound interest. Then amount is equal to what is the formula? P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to n. P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to. Here P is equal to 8,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 the whole raised to 2. Or we can write as 8,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 we can write as 4. You cancel by 5. Then 5 into 20 is 100. So it is equal to 1 by 20 the whole square. Then we can simplify it. That is 8,000 into, will you add this 1 plus 1 by 20? Shown, we take the LCM. So it is equal to, LCM is 20, then 20 into 1 is 20. 20 plus 1 the whole square. Or we can write as 8,000 into 21 by 20 the whole square. 8,000 into 21 by 20 the whole square. What is 21 square? That is equal to 8,000 into 21 into 21 is what is 21 into 21? 441. So it is equal to 441. 8,000 into 441 by 20 square is 400. 400. Can cancel this. Then here it is 20. Then 441 into 20. What is 441 into 2? 441 into 2 is 441 into 2 is Ramesh? 2 into 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8. So it is equal to 882. Then there is a 0 also. So it is equal to 8820. It is equal to 8820. Then what is the amount? Therefore amount is equal to compound interest is equal to, therefore compound interest is equal to amount is equal to, if the principal is, the amount is equal to 8820 and the principal is equal to 8000. So principal minus is equal to amount minus principal. That is equal to amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. That is equal to, what is the amount here? 8820 minus 8000. That is equal to rupees 820. So what is the compound interest here? Find the compound interest here. P is equal to 8000, N is equal to and R is equal to 5. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to N. That is 8000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 the whole raised to whole square. So it is equal to 8000 into 5 by 100 is equal to 1 by 20. 1 plus 1 by 20 the whole square. That is equal to 8000 into 21 by 20 the whole square. Is equal to rupees 8820. Therefore compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. That is equal to 8820 minus 8000. That is equal to rupees 820. So the compound interest is rupees 820. Okay. Next question. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 2 years on rupees 2400 at 5% per annum compounded annually. Also find the compound interest. So what is the formula to find the amount? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole square. Otherwise here what is P? Here P is equal to rupees 2400, R is equal to 5 and N is equal to per annum. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 2 years. N is equal to 2. Therefore we can apply the formula here. Therefore A is equal to P into 2400 into 1 plus R is equal to 5. 5 by 100 the whole square. It is equal to 2400 into 1 plus 1 by 20. We can cancel this. Is equal to 1 by 20 the whole square. Okay. Therefore it is equal to 2400 into, we can take the LCM 1 by 20. Then it is equal to 2400 1 plus. Now what is the LCM of this? 20. 20. Then here 20 into 1 is 20 plus 1 the whole square. Or we can write as 2400 into 21 by 20 the whole square. Then what is square of 21? That is equal to 2400 into 21 square is 441. 441 by 400. Cancel this. 4 6 are. Then what is our answer? So it is equal to rupees 2646. Then how many zeros? 2 zeros. That is equal to 2646. Here the 0 and 0 cancel. So it is equal to rupees 2646. Then what is our amount? Amount is equal to 2646. Then what is the compound interest? Therefore, compound interest is equal to compound interest is equal to when you find the compound interest it's equal to amount minus principal. That is equal to amount minus minus principal. So what is the amount here? Amount is equal to rupees 2,646 minus 2,400. 2,646 minus 2,400. Then it is equal to what is the answer? Amount is equal to 2,646 minus 2,400. Diya, it is equal to rupees 246. It is equal to 240. So what is the compound interest here? 240. So the amount to be paid at the end of 2 years is rupees 2,646, and the compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So it is equal to 2,646 minus 2,400. So it is equal to rupees 246. So the compound interest is amount minus principal is equal to 246, and the formula to find the amount is equal to A is equal to B into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to n. Okay, then compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. You remember it, okay? We can do more questions in the next class. Assignments will be given through Google Classroom. Thank you and help you.